Lakshita Rao and I am from Rewari, and currently I am working as an assistant professor in DK Pharma College, Jainapal, and I am proud to be a pharmacist. Wish you a very, very, very happy Pharmacist Day.
Happy World Pharmacist Day. Pharmacists plays a vital role in the community and healthcare system by means of providing patient counseling regarding a disease and medicines, and providing medication counseling regarding medicines and lifestyle modifications in the some specific disease, and identifying adverse drug events, and identifying ADR, adverse drug reaction, and reporting and avoiding polypharmacy in case of excessive medicines which is prescribed, and educating about the people about personal hygiene and family planning, and many more, and proud to be a pharmacist.
My name is Namrata Babel. With so many prescriptions and so many medicines, only pharmacists know how to fix things. So on this occasion of Pharmacist Day, Happy National Pharmacist Day.
On the occasion of this World Pharmacist Day, I would like to wish you happy World Pharmacist Day to all the pharmacist friends. And the pharmacists are the integral part of the critical care staff ensuring the patient safety. The pharmacists are the trusted source of knowledge, advice, not for the patients, but many healthcare professionals. So know your medicines, know your pharmacist, and again wish you happy World Pharmacist Day to all the pharmacist friends. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ashu Vijay. I am from New Delhi. I am a registered pharmacist. Pharmacists give life to medicine. Save life, save people. I am proud to be a pharmacist.
Hello, my name is Niharika. I am from Jharkhand. Access to pharmacist is access to health. So, I am using this day to appreciate all the pharmacists on World Pharmacist Day. I am proud to be a pharmacist.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर प्रशांत तिवारी है। विश्व फार्मासिस्ट दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं एवं बधाइयाँ। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, इस कोविड-19 के दिन में हम फार्मासिस्ट साथियों ने बड़ी भूमिका निभाई है। इसके साथ ही साथ अन्य डॉक्टर एवं अन्य नर्सों ने भी बहुत गहरी एवं गंभीर भूमिका निभाकर इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाया है। वैक्सीनेशन की जो प्रक्रिया है, यह पूरे देश के साथ साथ विश्व में चल रही है। भारत अग्रणी भूमिका निभा रहा है। हम जानते हैं फार्मेसी एक बहुत ही सुनहरा एवं सुसज्जित अवसर लेकर आने वाला है। इस कोविड-19 में लेकर आया भी है। हमें इन चुनौतियों को, इन अवसरों को पहचानना है एवं आगे बढ़ना है। इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ एक बार पुनः आप सभी को विश्व फार्मासिस्ट दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Hi guys, I am Jala Patel from Anupur Madhya. The contribution of our pharmacy profession to the society is inseparable. I am proud to be a pharmacist. Happy Pharmacist Day.
My name is Saloni Singh. I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I am proud to be a pharmacist. On this occasion of Pharmacist Day, I wish you happy National Pharmacist Day.
Hello everybody, so my name is Gautam Wadhwa from New Delhi, Delhi State, and I am a registered pharmacist under Delhi Pharmacy Council. So as we know that pharmacists are a very important, inevitable and indispensable connections between a doctor and a patient, and they are the only ones that can provide over-the-counter medications to the patients so that they do not need to visit the doctors. So I am a very proud pharmacist, and on this special day, I wish everyone out there in India a very happy World Pharmacist Day.
Hello, my name is Diksha Gupta. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I wish to all happy World Pharmacist Day.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम हर्ष यादव है। मैं बिलासपुर छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ और आप सभी को वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। इस वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे में मैं एक मिथ बस्ट करना चाहता हूँ आपके मन में जो होता है कि फार्मासिस्ट केवल दवा स्टोर पे दिखते हैं या किसी कम्युनिटी और हॉस्पिटल फार्मासिस्ट में होते हैं। फार्मासिस्ट एक लैब में मेडिसिन भी बनाते हैं, इंडस्ट्री में भी हैं, और ऐसे तमाम सारे डिफरेंट रोल्स हैं जो फार्मासिस्ट निभाता है। सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, कॉन्टैक्ट योर फार्मासिस्ट। थैंक यू।
Hi, my name is Tarun Gupta. I am a proud pharmacist. Request you all to not rent your license. Pharmacist license and pharmacy is our pride and our future. Happy Pharmacist Day. All the best.
Hi, I'm Akshita Bhargav. Bhargav. I'm a pharmacist and a pharmacovigilance professional serving my bit since 11 plus years, and it feels so proud and it feels so overwhelming when you are contributing towards the healthcare system and you are a part of this profession, especially during this COVID situation where vaccines are evolving and the research is expanding and we are coming up with various kind of solutions just to fix this pandemic. So I would just encourage other youngsters to come forth and pay their contribution towards the system. Happy Pharmacist Day everyone. Stay good, stay safe. Bye-bye. Thanks.
My name is Arshdeep Kaur. I am from Rohtak, Haryana. I am pursuing pharmacy from Vash Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Rohtak, a renowned institute under the guidance of a respected principal, Sir Dr. Rakesh Gupta. With so many medicines and so many prescriptions, it's a pharmacist who knows how to set things right. Wishing you all a happy National Pharmacist Day. Proud to be a pharmacist.
My name is Antim. I am from Rewari, Haryana. I would like to say something on this Pharmacist Day. As we all know that pharmacists are the backbone of medical support in the war against COVID-19. Their efforts and selfless dedication saving people's life each and every day. I thank to them for their invaluable service to our country. Happy Pharmacist Day to all those pharma warriors who goes to daily in this tough time, and each and every pharmacist friend who will become soon as a pharmacist. And again, happy Pharmacist Day to all of you.
Hey, this is Ashish Sharma. I am from Rohtak, currently working as assistant professor in DK Pharma College, Rewari. I wish all the pharmacists have a very happy Pharmacist Day. Thank you.
Reva Tiwari. I am a pharmacist. On the day of pharmacist, I would like to congratulate each and every pharmacist to being an important pillar of the society and the healthcare system. Thank you.
My name is Ankit and I want to congratulate Pharmacist Day to each and everyone. I am the registered pharmacist of Delhi and currently I am working as a clinical document specialist in a reputed CRO, and I always feel proud to be the part of this profession, and I always want to deliver my 111% to the healthcare society through this profession.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम पूनम मौर्य है और मैं एक कीमो मिक्सिंग फार्मासिस्ट हूँ अपोलो हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली में। आप सभी को वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि फार्मासिस्ट आर द की फंक्शन ऑफ हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम। तो कीप योर सेल्फ अपडेटेड, मोटिवेटेड एंड डू नॉट स्टॉप ट्राइंग न्यू थिंग्स, स्टॉप लर्निंग न्यू थिंग। तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू ऑल एंड फार्मासिस्ट की आवाज़। थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्ते आप सभी को।
मेरा नाम कंचन उगुर सांडी है। वैसे तो लोग मुझे बाइकर गर्ल के नाम से जानते हैं, पर बाइकर गर्ल से पहले मैं एक प्रोफेशनल फार्मासिस्ट हूँ और इस वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे पे मैं सारे फार्मासिस्ट साथियों और उनके परिवार को ढेर सारी बधाई देती हूँ।
Hi, I am Vimla, Assistant Professor of DK Pharma College. Pharmacists are our trusted source of knowledge, advice and help. Happy World Pharmacist Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Sonali, a student of Vash Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, the most renowned institute offering best education of pharmacy in Rohtak. Under the guidance of our respected principal Sir Dr. Rakesh Gupta and their team of most intellect teachers, it is easy to get thousands of prescriptions, but it is hard to get a single remedy. Proud to be a pharmacist. Happy Pharmacist Day.
Hello guys, my name is Sanjay Singh and I am from Jalandhar. Being a proud pharmacist, I wish you all a very happy Pharmacist Day. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं दीपक त्रेहन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर निर्माण भवन न्यू दिल्ली में एक ऑफिसर के तौर पर कार्यरत हूँ। साथ में मैं एक फार्मासिस्ट भी हूँ। तो अतः आप सबको वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। व इस बार का वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे का थीम है फार्मेसी ट्रस्टेड फॉर योर हेल्थ। दोस्तों, ट्रस्ट का मतलब होता है भरोसा, विश्वास। इसीलिए भारत सरकार ने दो पार्लियामेंट एक्ट बनाए हैं। एक द फार्मेसी एक्ट 1948, दूसरा ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट 1940 एंड इट्स रूल 1945। परंतु अफसोस दो पार्लियामेंट एक्ट होने के बावजूद भी भारत में फार्मासिस्टों की जो दुर्गति है वो किसी से छुपी नहीं हुई है। और इसका मेन कारण क्या है कि हम तो बचाते रह गए दीमकों से अपना घर, कि हम तो बचाते रह गए दीमकों से अपना घर, कुर्सी के चंद कीड़े पूरे फार्मेसी प्रोफेशन को खा गए। तो इसीलिए हमें ऐसे लोगों से सावधान रहना है, हमें अपने विवेक का, अपने ज्ञान का इस पे ध्यान देना है और इस प्रोफेशन को एक नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाना है। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Kumar and I am from Gurgaon, Haryana. I am a pharmacist and today is a World Pharmacist Day. In this lovely occasion, I love to appreciate all pharmacists who did a great job in this pandemic situation. A happy Pharmacist Day to all lovely and hard-working pharmacists. A golden statement for everyone that we are here to care everyone. A golden statement for everyone that we are here to care everyone.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shweta, Senior Clinical Pharmacist, working in hospital in Bangalore since more than 6 years. Wishing my fellow pharmacists and clinical pharmacist friends a very happy World Pharmacist Day. We celebrate World Pharmacist Day on 25th September because International Pharmaceutical Federation was established on the same day in year 1912. Today I want to throw some light on this year's theme, that is pharmacy always trusted for your health. Trust is a central part of all human relationships and fundamental element of social capitals. Trust is also essential in healthcare. Truly said by FIP that molecules become medicine when pharmaceutical expertise is added. I request my fellow pharmacists and clinical pharmacist friends to keep giving your dedicated services to society in order to keep their trust high. At the same time, I request PCI to keep our trust high by taking a strong stand on their words for creating more job opportunities in government sectors, especially for pharmacies. At last, I wish once again a very happy World Pharmacist Day to all of us.
My name is Ritik Yadav. I am from Rewari, Haryana, processing B Pharmacy from DK Pharma College, Rewari. Under the guidelines of Dr. Mamta Ma'am, so many physicians, so many medicine, it's a pharmacist. Wishing you happy Pharmacist Day to all and proud to be a pharmacist. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Pyali Dev. I am from Agartala, Tripura. Currently I am working as an assistant professor in BM College of Pharmacy at Farrukhnagar, Gurgaon. On this auspicious occasion, I wish you all happy World Pharmacist Day. Proud to be a pharmacist. Thank you.
Hi, I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I am proud to be pharmacist.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सभी को हैप्पी वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे। और आज का दिन बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आज का दिन हम सभी फार्मासिस्ट को समर्पित है जो स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। तो हमें गर्व होना चाहिए कि हम फार्मासिस्ट हैं, हमें गर्व से बोलना चाहिए हम फार्मासिस्ट हैं। हैप्पी वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे।
Pharmacy, always trusted your health. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha Prasad and I wish you a very happy World Pharmacist Day.
Hello friends, wish you all a very happy World Pharmacist Day. Well, I am Mayank Sharma, postgraduate in Pharmaceutical Sciences with an almost a decade of experience in pharmacovigilance. I am a Lean Six Sigma certified professional, certified project management and an internal ISO auditor from MSME Government of India. Currently, I am working as a manager in consulting company with a portfolio of regulatory affairs, quality management and pharmacovigilance. Being a pharmacist, I feel proud to be a part of skeletal system of India. Like we are actively involved in continuous supply chain. Like we ensure the availability of drugs through production of the drugs in manufacturing plants and dispensing them via pharmacy chains. Pharmacovigilance, drug safety surveillance. Pharmacists have a critical role in ensuring the safety of the patients in terms of convincing them to avoid any type of self-medication or any overdoses which may lead to the drug intoxication or drug toxicity. Research and development. Pharmacists are the unsung heroes of the designing and development of novel molecules. We are in tandem with other scientists like biotechnologists, genetic engineers are actively involved in the vaccination development programs. Last but not the least is clinical research. Pharmacists contribute hand with physicians and other HCPs for designing protocol and implementation of the clinical trials. My message to all my pharmacist buddies It gives an immense opportunity to align our society and care them with a healthy environment. I would request each and every pharmacist to please spread the awareness and regarding their role in the welfare of the society. I would recommend someone to be a pharmacist, yes, as you would be an integral part of the healthcare system and can contribute to the welfare of the society. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Wish you all a very happy World Pharmacist Day 2021. I am A.D. Sharma from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Pharmacist is not just a supplier or dispenser of medicine. He is a specialist counsel of medicine to patients. I am proud to be a pharmacist.
My name is Lalit Sharma. I am from Rewari, Haryana. I am proud to be a pharmacist. On the occasion of Pharmacist Day, I wish you a very happy National Pharmacist Day.
A superhuman who turns a bunch of dangerous chemicals into life-saving drugs, a pharmacist. On 25th of September is the annual World Pharmacist Day. On this year 2021, the theme of World Pharmacist